If you're someone who appreciates the cozy charm of rustic living, but still craves that glamorous touch, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest design trends taking the world by storm, the Glam Lodge Barndominium. It's like your dream cabin met a five-star hotel, and the result is nothing short of stunning. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it's a simple way to show your love for these incredible designs. Whether you're building one from scratch or looking to redesign an existing barn-inspired home, we've got all the tips, tricks, and inspiration to help you create the Glam Lodge Barndominium of your dreams. Before we jump into the glam part, let's take a moment to understand what exactly a barndominium is. At its core, a barndominium is a structure that takes the basic concept of a barn, yes, a barn, and transforms it into a stylish and open concept living space. It's the good mix of rustic charm with modern appeal. These homes are built with metal frames, often featuring large and open spaces that make them feel big and airy. Picture this: high vaulted ceilings, expansive windows that let in loads of natural light, and an open floor plan that connects your living room, dining, and kitchen into one seamless space. It's this flexibility that makes barndominiums so special. If you love this type of look, hit that subscribe button to help us create more videos, and let us know in the comments what you'd love to see in future videos. What makes barndominiums stand out? It is their versatility. They're good for customization. Whether you want a sleek and modern finish or a more rustic and traditional vibe, you can turn a barndominium into anything you like. The combination of natural wood beams, metal accents, and an industrial feel is what sets these homes apart. Now, let's talk about what happens when you add that touch of glam to the barndominium. Enter the Glam Lodge style, a trend that takes all the cozy and rustic charm of a traditional lodge and elevates it with glamorous and luxurious elements. Imagine a space that feels like a chic mountain retreat, but with the elegance of a high-end boutique hotel. The foundation of a Glam Lodge home is still rooted in the warm and earthy textures of the lodge style. Think exposed wood beams, stone fireplaces, and natural elements like leather and rustic woods. But here's where it gets exciting. We take those textures and layer in luxurious details like velvet cushions, plush area rugs, crystal chandeliers, and metallic accents. The result is a good balance of rustic warmth with elegance. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means to me, and it helps keep the design ideas coming your way. The color palette is another key factor. Think deep browns, soft creams, and sophisticated grays, but don't forget the metallic touches. Gold, silver, or bronze accents will add that rich and glamorous flair. The trick is to never overpower the rustic features, but to enhance them in a way that makes the space feel both welcoming and high-end. Okay, now that we know what a barndominium is and what makes the Glam Lodge style so special, let's talk about how to bring them together in your own space. First thing is open concept. One of the standout features of barndominiums is their vast, open floor plans, and when you're designing your Glam Lodge, this open space should be embraced. The idea is to create one large and cohesive area where the living room, dining room, and kitchen flow seamlessly together. With fewer walls and more space to play with, you can mix and match your rustic elements and glamorous touches effortlessly. Think wide wooden floors that lead into a chic and velvet-upholstered sectional. The high ceilings in barndominiums are good for showcasing those eye-catching chandeliers, or even a statement piece like a big mirror with a gold or silver frame. Next, let's talk about the rustic base. Wood and stone are your best friends here. Exposed wood beams will immediately give your space that lodge feel. While a stone fireplace or feature wall can bring the outdoors in. These natural elements will anchor the space in rustic warmth, making the rest of your glam details pop without overwhelming the design. Achieving the good balance between rustic and glam is all about restraint. While it's tempting to go all in on glitz and glam, remember that the rustic charm of the barndominium needs to stay front and center. The key is moderation. Start by mixing rustic materials like a reclaimed wood dining table with glamorous touches like velvet chairs or a gold-framed mirror. Don't go overboard with metallics, just enough to add elegance without distracting from the natural beauty of the space. Lighting is a huge factor. Glam elements like crystal chandeliers or sconces can create that soft and beautiful glow while still highlighting the wooden beams and stone walls. It's about layering the light and textures using warm and ambient sources to soften the industrial feel and bring in that luxe vibe. A Glam Lodge Barndominium is all about finding the good harmony between rustic comfort and high-end elegance. By combining natural materials like wood and stone with luxurious finishes, elegant furniture, and a balanced color palette, you can create a home that's both inviting and jaw-droppingly beautiful. Thanks for watching. I hope this video sparked some inspiration for your own barndominium project. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. Drop a comment below telling me what part of the Glam Lodge Barndominium design you love most.